In this video, we are going to design a DFA using automation simulator. The definition of the language is as follows. The language consists of every string with two consecutive bits. So let me explain some parts of it. This start represents the initial state, accept represents the string which need to be accepted, and reject represents the strings which to be rejected. So let us first select DFA. After that we need to add one state. So I'll be clicking on this state. Like if it encounters one b, it need to go to the next step. Since the language definition is as, so I'll be adding another state. So if it encounters another b, it need to go to the next state. So in starting itself, it encounters like in middle, it need to be in the initial state itself. After one b, if it encounters a, it need to be like it need to go back to the initial state. After encountering two consecutive ways, the pattern can be anything, like the string can be anything with A and B. So I am giving from final state to itself with A and with B. So we can make S1 as our final state by clicking on that. So now I will be giving some examples for this designed autom engine, automate engine. I'll be giving some examples. This accept represents the strings present in the state. It need to be accepted by the created language. The reject represents the strings it has to be rejected by this engine. So I'll be giving some examples in rejection state as well, which the strings do not contain the pattern B and B. I'll be giving like I have given some one string with two consecutive bits in accept state and one string with two consecutive bits in the rejection state. So that the string which do not contain two consecutive bits, it need to be rejected in the accept state. So you'll be knowing this when we run this once. Yeah, let me run it. So you can see that second and last but one string fails because the second string do not contain consecutive bits. I'll make it two consecutive bits. And last but one string contains two consecutives. So I'll be removing that. Let me run it. So it accepts for everything. Let me give epsilon in the accept state because epsilon should not be accepted by this engine. So it's not accepting. Epsilon comes, it need to be in the initial state itself. Okay. So still it should not accept, right? So still our epsilon is in accept state itself. So let me try now. Yeah, still it's not accepting. So I'll be removing epsilon there and I'll be giving that epsilon in the rejected state and I'll run it. Yeah, it's accepting because it won't go to the final state. Using this automation simulator, we can create like engine for any language we want and we can check with this. So let me give some other example in the rejection state. Like I'll be concatenating the strings with alphas. This does not contain two consecutive bits because it is in like alpha epsilon is there in between. So I'll be running this. It should be accepted. Yeah, in reject state, it first means the string is rejected from this engine. So yeah, that's it about yeah our automaton engine works, and I'll be resetting it now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.